Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to burn stubborn belly fat? I was there too until I discovered the power of a dedicated daily routine. Here's how I transformed my body and mind in just 1 week. I spent each morning diving into targeted exercises designed to tackle belly fat. My routine included high-intensity interval training height with exercises like mountain climbers, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches. These moves are perfect for engaging your core and burning calories efficiently. I built my evenings around recovery and preparation. After a day of intense workouts, I focused on stretching and winding down with a balanced meal. This combination not only helped to burn fat but also ensured muscle recovery and improved overall well-being. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. I got through some tough moments when my motivation wavered and skipping workouts seemed tempting. But sticking to my routine paid off. My belly fat visibly reduced, and I felt stronger and more energetic. The results were both physical and mental, giving me a newfound confidence and a sense of accomplishment. I saved time and avoided frustration by tracking my progress closely. I used a fitness journal to log my workouts, meals, and any challenges I faced. This helped me stay accountable and focused on my goals. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. The changes I experienced were truly remarkable. I saw a significant reduction in belly fat, my core strength improved, and my overall health took a positive turn. Mentally, I felt more empowered and motivated to continue my journey. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. If I can do it, so can you. Embrace a consistent routine, stay committed, and track your progress. Your journey to a healthier, stronger you starts now. Dive into your own transformation and see how these simple yet effective routines can change your life.